Hi guys, I'm Young. Hope you guys enjoyed my intro. It was taken with Insta360 ONE RS 360 degree camera. And if you had been waiting for an upgrade of Insta360 ONE R edition, now we have Insta360 ONE RS edition. This is a twin edition where you get the action camera, the 4K action camera, actually 6K action camera with the 360 degree camera as well. So you guys might think it looks exactly the same as the predecessor. However, there are many improvements. So first of all, the battery, it does look fatter. I don't know whether you guys can see, it does look fatter than the predecessor. And yes, of course, that means it does have more juice, 21% more juice in the new ONE RS battery. And now I'm just gonna mount everything together. So while it was at this mode, what I'm gonna do is turn into a selfie mode. This is super adaptable, and I'm just gonna put in the battery. There you go. And now this mounting bracket comes with the brand new design. Just makes everything a lot more simple with a bigger opening. So much more convenient than the predecessor. So right now I'm inside Insta360 new ONE RS 4K boost lens. So how does the color look like? On the display it does look really nice, although today is a little bit of cloudy day. And yes, there are a lot of new features in this boost lens that I'm about to show you. But first of all, with an action camera, you want it as wide as possible. And right now I don't even have the selfie stick stretched on. And here, this is the entire angle you get with this sort of arm's length selfie mode, and you do get like the entire sky. I can see in the display because this is super duper adaptable. I can always change the selfie lens to this side and also to the back side if I wish. And now with the new 1/2-inch sensor, you do get the 48 megapixel photo. As well as the 6K video recording mode. So now let's look for the 6K widescreen mode. And in the interface, it's very easy to use. There are so many different menus such as style apps, and here there is the 6K widescreen mode. So with the new ONE RS camera, you do have improved quick flow state, which means in the option, make sure you choose the flow state, not the post, because post you can do it in the editing process, but with the flow state you can run around, and it does have already better inbuilt stabilization. So I think it should be definitely suitable for your action need. Okay, I'm not doing anything, you know, crazy action like jumping off a snowboard or anything, but you know, this should give you guidance that yes, it should be suitable for your crazy action like mountain biking, skydiving, you name it. With the new RS Core, you have the quick preset menu. With a touch of the button at the side, you can access your presets for recording, photos, etc. And also with the zoom button in the touchscreen, you get the new instant zoom. You can quickly move from ultra wide, wide, linear, narrow to get rid of any distortion if you wish. You can also smoothly move in and out of the zoom up to 2.7 times while recording. From the ultra wide angle to zoom, can you see the airplane in the sky at the right side? And with the new core and also improved design, it's supposed to have better mic sound. I'm gonna get the sound out to you guys straight from Insta360 ONE RS camera. What do you guys think? Well, it does have an additional mic, and right now it is a little bit windy. You can see my hair sort of blowing in the wind. So I hope this improved design in the bracket, where it does have a little bit of wind chill. There was a motorcycle that went past me. I'm not sure what kind of sound you're getting, so you guys can tell for yourselves whether the sound is improved. However, you know, with anything, especially if you're doing YouTube and so on, you definitely want to get the mic with an external mic as well. But if you're just outdoor doing activities and so on, I think this microphone should be sufficient what's inside this Insta360 ONE RS. The real special feature of Insta360 ONE RS is that it is adaptable. So even with the new RS core that offers better in-camera stabilization and more user-friendly shooting interface, you can still use all the existing lenses such as Leica 1-inch sensor lens. So this is 1-inch Leica lens. I'm not sure whether you can see a lot of difference. I'm just showing you guys a bit of comparison, because if you want to get that 1-inch additional Leica module, then here we go. This is the 1-inch sensor. Is there any difference? Do let me know in the comments down below. A new feature that will be very exciting for action lovers is that there is the new active HDR video mode for action sports, and it ensures better stabilized HDR videos, and you can compare against the normal video mode and you can see a huge difference compared to the HDR. But if you forgot to turn on the HDR video, then don't worry, because in Insta360 app you can turn on Color Plus with one touch, and then here you go. And the result is day and night you get a stunning, bright, fully colored video, all automatically done with the AI of Insta360 app. So since I really like using Insta360 ONE RS, so I'm actually just having it on the selfie stick and using it for the rest of the video. Why not? So Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition, you do get best of the both worlds, which means you do get the 360 lens camera. So I've shown you guys riding a bicycle, but these are also other effects that you can get using the Insta360 app, a very quick post-edit process. And with 360 degree, it's not that difficult because you also have that track mode. Basically, it will make sure that whatever the camera is tracking, such as your face, it will keep on following. So you don't have to worry too much about editing process, because the camera knows where you are and it will put you in the center of the world. The real beauty of 360 degree camera lens is that you can point it in any direction, and in the editing process inside Insta360 app you can select the subject that you want to follow, and the AI will automatically track and produce a video with just one touch of the button. And what's great about ONE RS, it is of course waterproof up to 5 meters. So it's perfect if you go snorkeling and so on. And also if you wish, you can use Insta360 ONE RS as a webcam as well if you are a streamer. So there are so many features packed in this twin package. You get the awesome 4K boost lens as well as 360 degree lens. So if it's something that you've been waiting for, then why not? Because it does have improved core as well. So do make sure to check out the link down below for more information on these camera packages, and I'll come back with other interesting reviews, so please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you!